Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the ARTIBETTER Lampshade Frames, the perfect solution for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and versatility to their lighting fixtures. These bell-shaped wire frames are crafted from durable iron, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to create custom lampshades for table lamps, floor lamps, and pendant lamps. Whether you're updating an old lamp or designing a new one, these frames are easy to install and seamlessly blend with most ceiling lamps and chandeliers. Their Victorian-inspired design adds a classic charm, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for both ceiling chandeliers and desk lamps, these frames offer endless possibilities for personalizing your home lighting. So, if you're looking to refresh your space with a unique touch, these ARTIBETTER lampshade frames are just what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.